Hey guys, it is me, Joe, and we just got my new dog, Toby. Since his first name was Toby and we just adopted him, I named him Toby Keith. I thought it was kind of funny. Yeah, he's a good boy. I'm so good boy. Cool, bro. Settle down. Hey, buddy. His eyebrows. Oh, buddy. As it is me, Joe. Yes, Toby. Here's our new dog. Toby. Good buddy. We just got him today from the Humane Society. He's 2 years old. He's a good boy. German Shepherd mix of some sort. He's a good boy. He was shy with us at first, but now he's getting good. I'm gonna go get his toy. Maybe his toy. Now I have his toy. We just bought it. I'm not